Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 automatic repair loop. First, you need to open the advanced startup screen. To do this, turn on your computer and wait until you see the Windows logo. As soon as the logo appears, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to force the PC to shut down. Repeat this a total of 3 times. On the third start, Windows will automatically open the recovery screen. Once you are in the recovery screen, you will see a blue background with some options. Click on Troubleshoot. After that, click on Advanced Options. This menu contains tools that help fix startup problems. Now select Command Prompt. Your computer may ask you to choose your account and enter your password. After that, a black Command Prompt window will open. This is where we will fix the boot records that often cause the automatic repair loop. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. bootrec/fix mbr. This command repairs the master boot record. It helps Windows find the correct boot information. Next, type this command and press Enter. bootrec/fix boot. When it finishes, type the next command and press Enter. bootrec/scanos. This command scans your system to find Windows installations that are not currently in the boot list. After that, type the last command and press Enter. bootrec/rebuild bcd. If Windows asks if you want to add the found installation to the boot list, type Y and press Enter. Once all commands are done, type Exit and press Enter to close the Command Prompt window. You will go back to the Advanced Options screen. Finally, click on Continue to restart your computer normally. In most cases, Windows 11 should now boot without going into the automatic repair loop. Thanks for watching.